try to transfer the foil, it doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, just in case something, check your lamp. That's important too. So I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Do I miss something? Oh, thanks so much, Bella. Thank you, Laurie. Oh, yes. Is Mika, thank you so much. Purple, absolutely. You can place order online and then contact us. So we have is the code for you, so you won't have to pay shipping if you want to pick it up locally. We do have a lot of nail techs in Pensacola. Is either you can see it ours distributors at Nailco Wholesale if you are locally. They carries a lot of our products as well, but if you can't find what you're looking for, absolutely you can go direct to our official website and we can take good care of you. So I'm so glad you're tuning in, Purple. So this one is, you can pick any colors, and let's see. Here, let me holding this one. You can absolutely get this one completely covers the nails, or you can just doing like part of it. It just really depends on what you prefer or your clients like. Some clients like a lot whole nails, or some clients just want part of it. So give it a good like pressures. You don't need to do like really hard. Just reason is this one from the base that I place it on. Yes, absolutely. Oh my God, I'm so glad you're tuning in. Yep, joyous every night we have live tutorials, and then Sunday we're gonna have such a really amazing, everybody so excited. I wanna do it from this for this Sunday. Okay, let me take it up. Look how amazing it is. This base tried to come up on me. You see that? I'm gonna place that back in. Thank goodness that is the cleanse now not gonna come up like that. I promise doing a cleanse now is way easier than doing this. Okay, so this guys is come right off without 30-second cure. Now go get some of ours transfer foil gel as well, and a lot of cool stuff. So if your clients don't want any crystal placements at all, absolutely you can just like put the top coat on and cure and you'll be done. But if you want any of a crystal placement, and we can do that as well. So I am sucking all my beads in here. Okay, so what would you like to see on this one? I got this. Let's do this. I got this place it for you. Instead of other charms, I can do this. Look at that. I know. Let's do this. So I am going to using condensed glue gels, really thick density. This bestie will be really thick. This bestie will really like change the game. Hey Laurie, I love this chandelier. It is so much fun, and it's so gorgeous too. So make sure, hey, Being Ray, how are you? Oh, you put that charm. Oh my God, really? That's awesome. Think alike, Being Ray. Trifecta. Yes, Ella. Thank you, Jane. So I'm going to do in no wipe top coat on the top. Thank you so much, everyone. And please stay tuned for 70K giveaway. And something's really fun coming in the treasure box is coming and launching for is Christmas treasure box and winter treasure box. So we're always trying to stay on the top of the game and keep you ladies and gentlemen stay on the top of what you're doing. Is keep you up and love what you're doing. Look at that, I even like get away with this. Looks super cute. Oh, and I have this baby meat jars is amethyst. So I'm gonna open it to get matching with mine and see what we can play with this. So it's really simple. If you are first time playing with the crystal placement and you're not sure what you should do, basically it's really simple. Just getting your main big crystal first and then the centerpiece. Then you can't place all other crystal around or top or lowers. I need a smaller size. Can you get the smaller size?
What?
This one? Right. Can you get this one right there? I thought I have the smaller side, but I use them all. That's okay. I get my super cute. Can you get it? Oh, hey. I was teasing myself with the straps over here because I have so many right in front of me. Because the reason it is not of, oh, you know what I like to do? I just thought of something. I want to do it for you. I need the purple one though. Can you get me that
One purple? One purple.
ruby rose? No.
You want ruby?
I want to matching with this.
Not pumpkin, not red.
No. Sorry everyone, because I want what I want. Sorry. I got it right on my side, I just need to grab it. I thought I can use some alternates, but I guess I'm not. Do you ever have that day like that? You like what you like. You can't feel like the other ones will be a good taste for that. So that's what I want. Hold up. Go down, down, down. There you go. But this one need to be down just a little bit. There you go. Oh my god, we're so excited. Hey, I'm get so excited for the shows, and also I get so nervous because you know what? As usual. I don't know. It's weird though. But when we get into that, it's going to be so excited. Just the same thing with every single times we are doing a treat shows. That is normal emotions because we want to bring the best to you. And we're just excited. I think more than saying it like nervous, anxious. What should you use that word for?
Mm-hmm.
The anxious or nervous or what?
More anxious.
More anxious?
Because like you've been doing now, so you know what it is. So you're not technically nervous. You just haven't do it that way yet.
No, we did it that way.
Mm-hmm.
We did it like okay, here's something that I have to say, like exactly what I'm feeling. So every time we travel across country for the treat shows, we like know exactly what we're doing, and we know what to expecting. We know exactly what we can do to bring in the best to you, to bring that you absolutely when you come into the treat shows or you tuning us to our virtual treat shows. And it's something that you can absolutely is get back after that day. You want to say, oh my god, I learned this so much from this, and we want you to take that back to bring it and take your business to the next level. But then it's different, it's really different for the virtual trade shows. Is on the physical trade shows we do, because each time we go to a different state will be a difference in clientele, a difference of environments, like say a different style from the clients in a different state. So that's why it's kind of excited to see, you know, you're all from a different place tuning in. If you have your bestie, make sure you tag your bestie in, so then they can absolutely join with us all day and on Sunday. And okay, so I'm gonna kill that first, and I'm gonna dress it up this one. All day Sunday from 11 CST, 11 a.m. CST, all the way to 8 o'clock. And then during that time, you can asking any questions, Q&A, any question regarding to the techniques, to the products, and absolutely we'll be here for you.